Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today we're gonna break and unbreak this phone. First I need to enable the recovery. And I'm gonna install an incompatible boot image to this thing so this thing can fully break itself. And after it breaks, we're gonna restore its file to the factory default. And I need to copy this file. Breaker. This boot image is used for Redmi 9A, but I'm trying to install it here just for purpose. But guys, do not try this at your phones. This may make you an damage that is hard to fix but reversible. So do not do this. And this is very dangerous if you don't have a PC because you cannot back up your phone now if you did this. Look, breaker. It's there. And we're gonna flash it there. And let's reboot. See? It doesn't turn on now. Even look, it's now break. So we're gonna unbreak it. We're gonna unbreak it. Where's the bypass tool? Oops. This is the flash tool, not the bypass tool. We're gonna unbreak this. Look, it doesn't turn on now. It's vibrating. It's just vibrating. No power. If the, and click bypass, and let's enter brawl mode by holding the volume up and volume down button. Let's see. Let's wait. If the vibration stop, it means the device is rebooting and register the shortcut. See? It's now disabled. The protection now is disabled and the device is on brown mode now. So we need to flash the file now. SP flash tool and flash tool. I need to uncheck this. Look at that. Oops. Download only. No. There you go. So now reflashing the image file. Look, but still no power. That's what happened if your device is break. Some phones don't turn on, doesn't make a sign of life. But this one just keep vibrating, but you cannot power it off until its battery dies. And now the image file is flashing. Yeah. Look guys. You got it to portrait to the landscape to get you. And my SSD is doing its job to restore this phone now. Look, so there might be a delay because this is USB 2.0. This adapter only supports USB 2.0, which bottleneck my USB 3.0 port at my laptop. Because this laptop has USB 3.0 port, while this adapter only supports USB 2.0 and max. And this charger is USB 3.0, but it's bottlenecked by this. But at least it's flashing normal. And if it flash, it will show a check. the hard drive, the SSD is doing itself. This is real SSD, guys. I buy it separate. See, it's no flash. You hear that? It auto disconnect because it exit brown mode because the file is already flashed. And unplug it and plug it back or reboot it. See, the device turn on. So that's all. Bye. Peace. Try again. Peace.